Hey, what's up guys? Today we will react to my first anime trailer reaction. And this weekend, the anime world is shook. They simply dropped 5 of the most goated top tier animes of this era. Of course, Bleach still dominating. We have Chainsaw Man, Jujutsu Kaisen, Black Clover, Steel Ball Run, and Bleach, of course. So we'll start with Chainsaw Man. So we will react to these 5 all at once because they dropped it all at once. So let's go. Let's start with Chainsaw Man. Oh, before we start, I just recently watched the Rize arc. It's kind of sad. It does have a sad ending. Where Rize finally decided to choose her own path, and well, she did unalive a lot of people, so we really saw it coming from a mile away. So I don't know anything. I haven't read the manga, so I really don't know what's next. So this is the season 2 trailer for Chainsaw Man, but it's only 59 seconds. So let's go. She loved movies, right? What? Okay. What is that? I have no idea what's going on. Wait. What's happening? What? Assassin's Arc. Oh man. Bro. Denji just wanna fall in love. Give this guy a break, man. Oh man, they're really up to your heart, man. Literally. Okay, so let's move on to Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh, so here it is. So I'm so excited with this one. I don't know what's gonna happen with the next season. So it's entitled The Calling Game. I haven't read the manga, so I have no idea. So let's just jump right into it. Calling Game. What's that game? Still, the animation is still insane. Of course. New characters. Is this a I don't think this is a continuation. No. Yep. Just try, bro. Go get some. What kind of game is this? Okay. Who's that? Yes, of course. Oh, that was quick. That's it. Ooh. Man, the animation's still fire. Mappa really goated Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh. So I'm not expecting anything. I don't even know what's gonna happen. Okay, let's jump to Black Clover. Oh man, I have waited for so long for Black Clover. Oh, it's been a while. I can't even remember what year was that. No. Anyways, let's go. Black Clover. Asta! The loud MC is back. Okay, let's go.
証明するんだ。貧しくても捨て子でも魔法帝になれるって。俺も魔法帝になる。強く
I
なって
really love underdog
ア
MCs.
スタやみんなを守る。だったら言うのはアスタは俺のライバルだ。
Yeah.
どっちが魔法帝になるか勝負だ。
クローバーの3枚の刃にはそれぞれ誠実、
Am I saying that right?
愛が秘められている。4枚目の刃には幸運が宿る。
Yep.
5枚目には悪魔が住
Oh,
む。
come on.
まだだ。
There it is.
ここで
Damn.
限界を超える。
I wanna see the katana. Okay. Yes. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Oh man, that was cool. 2026.
一緒に闇団長を迎えに行こう。限界を超えて。
闇大丈。Oh man, let's go. Oh my goodness. 2026 is so stacked, man. Animes, movies, music, and everything. Oh man. So let's dive into next one, the Steel Ball Run. I haven't finished the Stone Ocean, but before jumping into this, I will finish the Stone Ocean. And I heard a lot of manga readers. They say that Steel Ball Run is the best JoJo Bizarre's Adventure part. So if they're right, well, I want to see that. So I don't have any idea what will gonna happen in Steel Ball Run. I haven't read the manga too. So let's see. Well, probably there's gonna be a lot of weird stuff again. Weird and bizarre things will gonna happen here. So let's see. Okay.
1890年の夏、僕は何かに引き寄
So I
せられ
believe
てこ
this.
こに来た。
ようこそスティールボールランレースへ。人
Then
類
we
史上
just
初の乗馬による北米大陸
So it's a race.
横断レースである。
Hey,
生まれた時からいつもそばに馬がいた。
Vamos.
拾っ
Pick it
た
up.
それが合図になる。
あの鉄球、回転していた。
Insane fight scenes again.
触るな、まだ回転している。
確かに俺は俺の足でもう一度馬に乗ってやる。知りたい、鉄球とあいつのことを。
The V is familiar.
プロの技ということさ。
This is Dio.
先が読めた。
俺はこの足のみで大陸を横断して優勝する。必要なのは白人の金。やはり俺は本物のラッキーガイだったぞ。このスティールボールランレースは世界中の誰もが体験したことのない競技大会となるだろう。
このレースの勝者はこの世のヒーローになるわ。
This is still.
いける。残り2戦のラストスパート。
制した者に贈られる賞金は5000万ドル。残された
$15 million.
勝者の条件となる。
Yeah,
もっと癖を出
that's
す
a lot.
ジャイロチェペリを指すのは
Gyro Zeppelin.
このジョニー・ジョースターだ。
Let's go, Johnny. Okay, wow. I'm excited with this one. So, for the last one, we have Bleach. Oh, man. So, for this one, I haven't finished the Thousand Blood War. Man, I've been doing a lot of things and I'm having trouble to catch up. But before we watch this, I think this is the final part. I have no idea. So let's just watch it. Let me know in the comments, guys. Bleach is goated, man. Oh, what's with the footprint? Yeah. Man, this is nostalgic. There's no... 助けてんじゃね? Huh? Hirokiya. Kurosaki-kun. So... Huh. Orega Mamoronda. Pirate Films. Is this a series or a movie? Final season? Part? Movie? Oh, let's go. A new form. Totoko. Okay. Ooh. There's a lot to unpack there. Man, what do you think, guys? We are so stacked. There's a lot to unpack. 2026 might be the greatest the greatest year ever. So let me know what you think, guys. I'll leave the comments down below and see you in the next one.